Hello and welcome to class today. Today we want to look at something very simple but very exciting. All right, we want to look at how to identify statements in logic. Okay, now look at three different statements here. I said the following statements are logical. In logical reasoning, there are some statements that we don't consider as logical statements. So let's look at it. Number one, Ghana is a West African country. Yes, that is a logical statement. That's because you can tell whether this statement is true or false. Of course, you know that Ghana is what? Is a West African country. That means we can allocate a truth value of T to it. Meaning that what that statement is correct. You can say this is true or false. Okay? Number two, the earth is conical in shape. The earth is conical in shape. Yes, you can say, but it's wrong. Yes. When you are able to tell if a statement is correct, if a statement is right or wrong, that's why we say that the statement is a logical statement. Of course, number two, even though it's a wrong statement, but because we are able to pinpoint, because we are able to tell that this statement is wrong, is false, it makes it what? An example of a logical statement. Number three, you are a Japanese. Sorry, I repeated A twice. I'm sorry about that. So you are a Japanese. Somebody looked at you and said, you are a Japanese. It may be true. It may be false. Depending on what? On your nationality. Okay? So you can tell whether this statement is true or false. That makes it what? A logical statement. Now let's consider some that we don't, some of the statements that are not regarded as logical statement at all. Now look at this one. The following statements are not logical. Number one, when I think of my past, when I think of my past, what happened? You cannot tell whether you cannot allocate a truth value of T for a statement being true, or a truth value of F if the statement is false. This is not giving you the chance to tell whether the statement is true or false. Look at the next one. Take away the book. Take away the book is like a command. So normally when we give a command or an exclamation or a request, or if once we give something like an exclamation or a request or a command that we cannot clearly allocate the truth value of T or the truth value of F to that statement, we don't consider that statement as being logical. Look at the next one. Who is she? You're asking a question. Who is she is just a question, not giving you the chance to tell whether this thing is true or this thing is false. Is that okay? So these three statements here are not logical statements. That's because you cannot tell whether what they are saying does not really give you the opportunity to allocate the truth value of T or the truth value of F to any of these statements. So this is what we mean by that. But if somebody said that there are 5 states in your country, for example, that may be false. So if you quickly check the number of states you have in your country, if there are 5, it means that if the person says there are 5 states in your country and there are only 5 states in your country, it means that that statement is a logical statement because you can allocate the truth value T to it. If you have more than 5 states in your country, it means that that statement the person made is false. So we can allocate a truth value of letter F to that. Now, I want you to identify this for me. Look at it. Which of the following are statements in logical context? So we have 3 of them here. So we have number 1, number 2, and then number 3. Please, I want you to tell me in the comment section the one you feel is logical out of them. If the 3 of them are logical, tell me 1, 2, 3 in the comment section. If only one is logical, tell me just number 1. If number 3 is the only one that is logical, I want to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to share with someone. Do well to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Bye for now.